guys, in this video we are going to see how to add advertisements in your application. So let's get started. So let's go back to our test 1 and we are on screen 2. So let's add a horizontal arrangement below over here, exact, yep, and set its weight to fill parent and go to experimental. If you are on thunkable.com, you will have you have to go in experimental and drag drop this one, click OK. If you are on other side, you might have another option named monetization. So firstly, after inserting this, you must remove the test mode. So now you need to add an add unit id. So go to abs.admob.com, go to app and click on add app. Have you published your app in Play Store? So I have not yet published. Go to Android and select your app name. So I will select as TST test and click add, and this is your app ID. Create add unit. Go to click on banner, click select banner name as, let's say, test, and create unit ID. And this is your code. You need to copy this second one and go back to Thunkable and paste it over here. Now it's done. Now ad advertisements will appear in 3 to 4 days. This is my Android application on Play Store, so you can download it now. The link will be given in description. Also, after completing a sub goal of 1000 subs, this application project link will be given to you, so don't forget to subscribe. In screen 1, go to blogs, screen 2, go to blogs, and when screen initialize, click on add mob banner and call add mob banner load add. So advertisement will be loaded and you can add this. It's an optional. Set add mob visible to true. If it is false, it will be loaded, but it is an optional step, not compulsory. So now I will just download the AI project so that this will be given in description, and I will save this APK to my computer. So test 1 app is loading. It takes some time. Now you can see the welcome screen. And it's stuck. Can see over here YouTube, and there is a small gap over here, big gap, and over here the advertisements will be shown from this to this. It will take some time for a new advertisement to come, so it might be not showing. advertisements are not showing still. I don't know why, but it will show in 3 to 4 days, or might be in an hour or two if you have just created it. But there is a space over here, so you can understand that there are advertisements at this much space. You can just understand it. And I click this, pause it. So over here you can see this, there is a small gap over here. What videos are showing YouTube? Nice YouTube. So let us close this application. I will click one back and you can see close app. Do you really want to close this app? I will click yes, and thanks for